Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into Wealthsimple Crypto, a platform that's been making waves for crypto investors. Is it worth your time and money? Let's find out. First off, Wealthsimple Crypto is part of Wealthsimple, a well-known Canadian fintech company. The platform is designed for those looking to buy, sell and hold cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum without needing to be a blockchain expert. It's perfect for beginners and experienced investors alike who want a simple, secure, and user friendly experience. So, what does Wealthsimple Crypto offer? One of the biggest perks is zero commission trading, which is a game changer compared to many other crypto platforms. They also have a straightforward mobile app that makes buying and selling crypto a breeze. Plus, it's integrated with Wealthsimple's broader suite, so if you're already using their investment or saving accounts, it's seamless to use. Pros and cons. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. The pros: easy to use interface, commission free trading, and high security measures. But the cons: you can only trade Bitcoin and Ethereum at the moment, no other altcoins. And it lacks some of the advanced trading tools found on other platforms. Plus, while the fees are low for trading, they may charge a spread, which can be a little higher compared to other exchanges. Overall, Wealthsimple Crypto is a great if you're a beginner or want a simple way to get into crypto investing. Just know it might not be ideal if you're looking for a super detailed trading experience or a wider range of cryptocurrencies. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.